हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एजू साई। आज हम अपने नेक्स्ट राइटर्स को कवर करेंगे। रॉबर्ट ली फ्रॉस्ट, सेकंड इज वॉल्ट विटमन, थर्ड इज अर्नेस्ट हेमिंगवे। मेरी वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। मेरे चैनल को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फॉलो करें, शेयर करें और मेरे साथ एंड तक बने रहें। चलिए फिर हम अपने वन लाइनर्स क्वेश्चन जो हमारे चल रहे थे हम उसी पे स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट इज़ हमारा रॉबर्ट ली फ्रॉस्ट। रॉबर्ट ली फ्रॉस्ट की बर्थ हुआ 1874 में एंड डेथ हुई है 1963। 17 honorary degrees were conferred on him. He could boast of being a Master of Arts 2 times and Doctor of Humanities 3 times and Doctor of Letters 12 times in his life. He was selected as a Phi Beta Kappa poet and a professor at the Amherst College. He distinguished himself by winning the Pulitzer Prize 4 times, 1924, 1931, 1937 and 1943. Identify him. कौन है वो? रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट। He married in 1897, attended Howard College for 2 years, 1879 to 1898, and then with a family settled to farming, writing poems along with his more demanding response to the family necessities. Who is being referred here? यहाँ पर किसको रेफर्ड किया जा रहा है? रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट को। In 1961, Frost was invited to read a poem at the inauguration of President Kennedy on January 20. Name the poem. कौन सी पोएम है वो? The Gift Outright. Frost's name was named after a warrior come scholar of the South. Who is he? Robert Lee Frost. When did Frost sell his farm and take the family to England? रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट ने अपना फार्म कब सेल किया एंड अपनी फैमिली के साथ इंग्लैंड में गए? 1912 में। फ्रॉस्ट हैड रिटर्न टू अमेरिका विद हिज फैमिली इन। फ्रॉस्ट अमेरिका अपनी फैमिली के साथ कब लौटे? 1915 में। फ्रॉस्ट पब्लिश द बुक इन 1913। फ्रॉस्ट ने 1913 में बुक पब्लिश करवाई वाइल इन इंग्लैंड, जब वो इंग्लैंड में थे, एंड रिटर्न टू अमेरिका, जब वो अमेरिका से लौटे एज अ फेमस मैन, एक फेमस मैन बन के। द कलेक्शन इज, क्या था वो? कौन से थे वो? अ बॉय बिल। फ्रॉस्ट पोएम वॉज लूसिड एंड सिंपल। दे आर रिटन इन New England dialect. No doubt he is a pastoral poet. He is conscious of nature's charms, but he knows the barriers that lies between man and nature. Who is being referred here? यहाँ पर किसको refer किया गया है? फ्रॉस्ट को। Who is known as a non-serious poet due to his humor? Frost. A poem begins in delight and is wisdom. Whose comment is this? ये comment किसका है? रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट का। Which poem of Frost was favorite of Nehru? नेहरू की कौन सी पोएम रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट की फेवरेट थी? Stopping by woods on a snowing evening. Who authored the poems Mound and Mending Wall? किसकी है ये? फ्रॉस्ट की। The fact is the sweetest dream that labor knows. From which poem has this line has been taken? कौन सी पोएम से ये लाइन ली गई है? माउंट। Something there is that does not love a wall. Stay where you are until our backs are turned. He is all एंड आई एम एप्पल ऑर्चर्ड, गुड फ्रेंड्स मेक गुड नेबर्स, दीज लाइन्स अपीयर इन, ये लाइन किस में अपीयर होती है? मेंडिंग वॉल में। फ्रॉस्ट फर्स्ट पब्लिश्ड पोइम वॉज, फ्रॉस्ट की फर्स्ट पोइम पब्लिश कौन सी थी? माई बटरफ्लाई। मेंडिंग वॉल इज अ मोनोलॉग कंपोज्ड इन, मेंडिंग वॉल जो है एक मोनोलॉग है, कब कंपोज हुआ? 1920 में। मोइंग वॉज पब्लिश्ड इन 1931, मोइंग 1931 में पब्लिश्ड हुआ, किसमें? आप बॉयज फिल्म में। माई लॉन्ग साइथिस विस्पर्ड एंड लेफ्ट दी हेयर टू मेक दिस लाइन इज फ्रॉम, ये लाइन किसकी है? माउंटेन। आई कुड से लैप्स टू हिम, दिस लाइन इज फ्रॉम, ये लाइन किसकी है? मेंडिंग वॉल की। द लैंड वॉज अवर बिफोर वी वर द लैंड्स, दिस लाइन अपीयर्स इन, ये लाइन कहाँ अपीयर होती है? द गिफ्ट आउटराइट्स। द सन वॉज वार्म बट द वाइंड वॉज चिल, दिस लाइन इज फ्रॉम, ये लाइन कहाँ से है? ये टू ट्रेंड्स इन मड टाइम्स। फ्रॉस्ट पोइम्स आर नन फॉर, फ्रॉस्ट की पोइम्स किसके लिए जानी जाती हैं? रीजनलिज्म के लिए। In his poems, he presents isolation, separation, and alienation. He combines beauty and terror. He uses symbolism to communicate truth of universal significance. The poet referred here is, यहाँ पर किसको, कौन से poet को refer किया है? फ्रॉस्ट को. The poem Witches appeared in 1961 in, किस में appear हुई थी ये? Mountain Interval में. This poem reflects Frost's reaction, his activities, attitude and responses. It has been from a further range 1936. It was first published in 1934. It is based on the dignity of labor. Name the poem. क्या name है poem का? Two Drums in Mud Time. What does realism mean to Frost? A potato brushed clean. Mending Wall appeared in 1914. Mending Wall 1914 में कब, किस में appeared हुई थी? नॉर्थ बूस्टन में, नॉर्थ ऑफ बूस्टन. This poem presents the history of colonization. It was published in 1942. The poem is, कौन सी poem है? The Gift Outright. Fire and ice stopping by woods on a snowing evening and the Witch of Coos from New Hampshire are the poems from the pen of Robert Frost. Possessing what we still were unpossessed by, possessed by what we know, no more possessed. These lines are from, ये line कहाँ से? The Gift Outright से. Poetry is a way of taking life by the throat. This is the ओपिनियन ऑफ, ये किसका ओपिनियन है? रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट का. फ्रॉस्ट इज हैबिचुअल फॉर पैरेंथेसाइजिंग. द ऑब्जेक्ट इन राइटिंग पोइट्री इज टू मेक ऑल पोएम साउंड एज डिफरेंट एज पॉसिबल फ्रॉम ईच अदर. हु सेड, किसने कहा है? रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट ने. जस्ट एज यू से हैव इट योर ओन वे देन माई मैन इज इट, यू टॉक लाइक अ प्रोफेसर. These lines are from, ये कहाँ से लाइन? 100 callers. Better than married, out to be as good as married. That's what he has always said. These lines are from, ये लाइन कहाँ से? The Housekeeper से. Home is the palace. Home is the place where, when you have to go there, they have to take you in. These lines are from, ये लाइन कहाँ से? The Death of Hired Men. Our life runs down in sending up the clock. The brooks run down in sending up the brook. These lines appear in, ये line कहाँ appear होती है? West running brook में. Today will be the day of what we both said. This line appears in, ये line कहाँ appear होती है? West running brook में. The universal cataract of death, the spent nothingness and unrested. These lines appear in, ये line कहाँ appear होती है? West running brook में. The woods are lovely, dark and deep. These famous words are from, ये famous words कहाँ से? स्टॉपिंग बाई वुड्स ऑन और स्नोइंग इवनिंग्स। आंट्स आर अ क्यूरियस रेस, दिस लाइन इज फ्रॉम, ये लाइन कहाँ से? डिपार्टमेंटल से। नॉर्थ ऑफ बूस्टन अपियर्ड इन, नॉर्थ ऑफ बूस्टन किस कब अपियर्ड हुआ? 1914। नाउ नॉर्थ ऑफ बूस्टन इज नन एज अ, नॉर्थन और बूस्टन को किस नाम से और जानते हैं? बुक ऑफ पीपल। विच बुक ऑफ फ्रॉस्ट इज कॉल्ड एज वन ऑफ द रिवोल्यूशनरी बुक्स ऑफ मॉडर्न टाइम्स अकॉर्डिंग टू एजरा पाउंड? नॉर्थ ऑफ बूस्टन। हु रॉट द नोट फॉर अ बॉयज विल 1913? 1913 में अ बॉयज विल पे नोट किसने लिखा? एजरा पाउंड ने। माई बटरफ्लाई एंड एलिजी इज द फर्स्ट पोएम ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंस फ्रॉम फ्रॉस्ट, इट केम आउट इन, एंड माई बटरफ्लाई एंड एलिजी रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट की फर्स्ट पोएम थी, किसमें आई थी? द इंडिपेंडेंस। In Robert Frost, the American people have found their poet, their singer, their seer, in short, their bard, who said, किसने कहा ये? एथलाई स्टीवेंसन ने। Frost's life and his art summed up the essential qualities for the New England he loved so much: the fresh delight in nature, the plainness of speech, the canny wisdom, and the deep underlying insight into the human soul. Who said? किसने कहा है? ये कहा है प्रेसिडेंट कैनेडी ने। The truth is that Frost was the first American who could be honestly reckoned a master poet by वर्ल्ड स्टैंडर्ड। हु सैड? किसने कहा है? रॉबर्ट ग्रेव्स ने। हुज नेम इज एसोसिएटेड विद न्यू इंग्लैंड, किसका नेम न्यू इंग्लैंड के साथ एसोसिएट था? रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट का। I might be called a synecdochist, for a prefer synecdoche is in poetry that figure of speech in which we use a part for the whole. Robert Frost. He used the natural flexibility of language within the structure of meter, bringing originality in personal style to conventional pattern of poetry. Moreover, he brings that selfish quality of turning a phrase or thought inside out out or upside down to get a whimsicality of freshness of vision. As an artist, he values himself and keeps coming back to those truths which are his directives. Who said this अबाउट फ्रॉस्ट? ये फ्रॉस्ट के बारे में किसने कहा है? ये कहा है एल्बर्ट एस ओलिवर ने। हिज पोइम्स टू मूव फ्रॉम डिलाइट टू विजडम। हु सेड दिस अबाउट फ्रॉस्ट? ये रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट के बारे में किसने कहा है? एल्बर्ट एस ओलिवर ने। हु रॉट स्विंगर ऑफ विचेस 1957? सिडनी कॉक्स। इट शुड बी of the pleasure of a poem itself to tell how it can. The figure of poem makes it beings in delight and end is wisdom. The figure is the same as for love. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? ये कहा है रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट ने in the figure a poem makes. No tears in the writer, no tears in the reader, no surprise for the writer, no surprise for the reader. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? फ्रॉस्ट ने कहा है in figure a poem makes me. Like a piece of ice on a hot stove, the poem must ride on its own melting. A poem may be worked over once it is in being, but may not be buried into being. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? फ्रॉस्ट ने कहा है in the figure a poem makes me. Read it 100 times, it will forever keeps its freshness as a metal, its fragrance it can never lose its sense of meaning that once unfolded by surprise as it won't. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? ये कहा है फ्रॉस्ट ने in the figure a poem makes me. Name Frost's first poem was sold for $15 in 1894 to the New York Independent. रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट की उस पोएम का क्या नाम है जो $15 में 1894 में सोल्ड हुई द न्यूयॉर्क इंडिपेंडेंट में? माई बटरफ्लाई एंड एलिजी. In 1912, Frost sent with his family to Glasgow and later settled in. बाद में कहाँ सेटल हुए? Beaconsfield में. Who was the first American to write a favorable review of Frost's works? Ezra Pound. In the film Grindhouse, Kurt Russell recites some lines of a poem of Frost. Identify the poem. कौन सी पोएम है? स्टॉपिंग बाय वुड. Frost got Pulitzer prizes in 1924 for New Hampshire, in 1931 for collected poem, in 1937 for a further range. He got the prize for the fourth time in 1943 for A Witness Tree. Eliot and Carol are the names of sons, while Leslie, Irma, Marjorie and Eleanor Bettina are the names of daughter. Whose children are these? ये children किसके थे? Frost के. Stopping by woods occurs in New Hampshire. Frost returned to America with his family upon the outbreak of the European War in 1950. The death of Robert Frost leaves a vacancy in the American spirit. His death improvises us all, but he had bequeathed his nation a body of impressive, imperishable verse which American will forever gain an understanding. Who said? किसने कहा ये? कैंडी ने. यहाँ पर हमारा रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट फिनिश हो गया है. हम अपने नेक्स्ट राइटर को स्टार्ट करते हैं. Walt Whitman. The representative poet of America is. अमेरिका के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पोएट कौन है? Walt Whitman. I am the poet of the body and I am the poet of the soul. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? Whitman. What was the age of Whitman when Leaves appeared first? Whitman की एज कितनी थी जब लीव्स अपीयर्ड हुई थी फर्स्ट पहली बार? 36. Drum Taps 1865 is a series of poems from the pen of. Drum Taps किसकी पोएम है? Walt Whitman की. I accept reality and dare and not questions its materialism. First and last imbuing. Who wrote these lines? ये लाइन किसने लिखी है? Whitman ने. Leaves of Grass appeared in. Leaves of Grass अपीयर्ड हुई है किसमें? द 4th of July 1855 में. I celebrate myself and what I assume you shall assume for every atom belonging to me as good belongs to you. Who wrote these lines? किसने लिखी ये लाइन? Whitman ने. How many editions came out of Leaves of Grass? Leaves of Grass के कितने एडिशन आए थे? 9. The female equally with the male I sing. This line is from one of Whitman's poem. Which one? कौन सी पोएम है? Oneself I sing. Adam and Eve appear. Then their myriad progeny after Thyris, a wandering yearning, curious with restless exploration. These lines appears in. ये लाइन किस में appear हुई है? Whitman के Passage to India में. Nature and man shall be disjoined and diffused no more. The true Son of God shall absolutely fuse them. These lines appear in. ये line कहाँ appear हुई है? Whitman के Passage to India. Walt Whitman makes a reference of Suez Canal and wire lines across the Atlantic in Passage to India. One of Whitman's poems abound in spiritual touches and transcendentalism. It is क्या है किसमें? अ पैसेज टू इंडिया। विद दीज किसेस लेट मी रिमूव योर टीयर्स, दिस लाइन इज फ्रॉम विटमिन्स। ये लाइन विटमिन की किसमें है? ऑन दी बीच और एट नाइट में। द ट्रूथ मस्ट डेजल ग्रेजुअली, दिस लाइन इज फ्रॉम विटमिन्स। ये विटमिन्स की लाइन, विटमिन की किसमें ये लाइन? टेल ऑल दी ट्रूथ में। अ शिप इमेज इन, अ शिप इमेज इन क्या है? ओ कैप्टन माई कैप्टन 1865। वैन लिलैक्स लास्ट इन डोरियार्ड ब्लॉम इज एन इलेजी ऑन दी डेथ ऑफ, किसकी डेथ पे एलेजी की? इब्राहिम लिंकन की। हेयर कॉफिन दैट स्लोली पासिस, आई गिव्स यू माई स्प्रिंग लाइलेक, दीज लाइन्स अपीयर इन, ये लाइन किसमें अपीयर हुई है? वैन लाइलेक्स लास्ट इन द डोरियार्ड ब्लॉम टी में। Do I contradict myself? Very well, then contradict myself. These lines are from, ये line किसकी है? Song of Myself. A reborn race appears. All the men ever born are also my brothers, and the women my sisters and lovers. I am the poet of the women, the same as the men, and I say it is as great to a woman as to be a man. The grass is the development of the grave. Life shall never die are the memorable lines from the pen of Walt Whitman. Something there is more immortal, even the star is from Whitman's On the Beach at Night. But really I am neither for nor against institution. This line is in, ये line किसमें? I hear it was charged against me. The phrase agnatic beauty of stallion appears in, किसमें appear हुई है? Animals section 32 में। I but use my manner than I reason use stallion. Why do I need paces when I myself outclop them? These lines are from Whitman's. ये line Whitman की है, कहाँ किसमें है? Animals में। O powerful western fallen star, O sad of night, O moody tearful night. These lines are from Whitman's. ये line किसमें है? When Lelycus last in the Rudyard bloom tea. It is some dream that on the death you have fallen cold and dead. These lines are from Whitman's. ये line किसमें है? O captain, my captain. But I with mournful tread walk the deck, my captain lies fallen cold and died. These lines are from, ये line कहाँ से है? O captain, my captain. I want to wait till you blow my mate to me. This line is from Whitman. ये line Whitman की है, किसमें है ये? Whitman की कौन से वर्क में ये? Out of the cradle endlessly rocking. Walt Whitman got his didactic novel published in the New World in 1842. What was the title of the novel? Franklin Events or the Inebriate, A Tale of the Times. Who had been editor of Brooklyn Eagle? Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman edited an anti-slavery paper in Brooklyn. The paper was The Freeman. How many poems were in the first edition of Leaves of Grass? 12. The first song of Myself presents a symbolic man of 19th century. I am not blind to the work of wonderful gift of leaves of grass. I find it the most extraordinary piece of wit and wisdom that America has yet contributed. Whose comment is this? ये comment किसका है? एमर्सन का. Whitman is wonderfully good. Who said? किसने कहा ये? थोरियो ने. Which book was revised by Whitman many times? Leaves of Grass. In 1883, the first biography entitled Walt Whitman appeared. Who wrote? किसने लिखी है ये? Richard M. Buchanan. In 1889, Whitman added a backward glance over traveled road in Leaves of Grass. Oneself I sing a simple separate person, yet utter the democratic, the world and masses. These lines are from Whitman's Oneself I sing. The first edition of Leaves of Grass appeared in फर्स्ट एडिशन कब अपीयर हुआ था लीव्स ऑफ ग्रास का 1855 में. लीव्स ऑफ ग्रास इज अ बुक ऑन डेमोक्रेसी. द पोएम ऑफ कैप्टन माई कैप्टन अपीयर्ड इन ओ कैप्टन माई कैप्टन पोएम कब अपीयर्ड हुई 1865 में. द पोएम आई हियर इट वॉज चार्ज अगेन मी अपीयर्ड इन 1867. यहाँ पर हमारा वॉल्ट विटमैन भी फिनिश हो गया. अब हम नेक्स्ट राइटर को स्टार्ट करते हैं. अर्नेस्ट हेमिंगवे. इनका बर्थ है 1899 एंड डेथ है 1961. हेमिंगवे रिसीव द नोबेल अवार्ड फॉर लिटरेचर इन. हेमिंगवे ने नोबेल अवार्ड कब लिटरेचर के लिए कब रिसीव किया 1954 में. विच नोवेल ऑफ हेमिंगवे इज बेस्ड ऑन हिज इटालियन वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. कौन सा नोवेल है हेमिंगवे का जो इटालियन वॉर एक्सपीरियंस पे बेस्ड है. अ फेयरवेल टू आर्म्स 1929. द नोवेल नरेट्स a story of a man withdrawal from the war into a love that ends its futility. Identify it. A Farewell to Arms 1929. This novel of Hemingway presents a Spanish Civil War story where the hero Robert Jordan fights as an American volunteer. He is sent to join a guerrilla band in the mountains near Segovia to blow up a strategic bridge. Finally, he loses his life in Lost Case. The novel is कौन सा novel है? For Whom the Bell Tolls 1940. Which novel of Hemingway's is posthumously published account of his early Paris days, A Movable Feast 1964. Man at War 1942 is an anthology of war stories chosen and introduced by Hemingway on an idea suggested by William Koslenko. I am always embarrassed by the words scared, glorious and sacrifice and the expression in vain who said. ये किसने कहा है? Hemingway. The writer of Hemingway, the writer as artist is Carlos Baker. In the snow of Kilimanjaro. Kilimanjaro is a snow-covered mountain. Its western summit is called by the Messi Nagaji Nagai. I was always embarrassed by the words scared, glorious and sacrificed and experienced in vain. Who said? किसने कहा ये? Hemingway. Nagaji Nagai is the name of the western summit of Kilimanjaro. What is its meaning? इसका meaning क्या है? The house of God. The hero of Faista is an American newspaper man working in Paris. He is Jack Barnes. The got a cure for that. No, that haven't got a cure for anything. These words appear in. ये words किसमें appear हुए? A Pursuit Race में. In Hemingway's short stories, the main character is Hemingway की short story का main character कौन है? Nick Adams. The killers, the light of the world, fathers and son, and a way you will never be are the short stories from the pen of किसकी है ये? Hemingway की. The bell in For Whom the Bell Tolls is funeral bell. Any man's death diminishes me became I am involved in mankind and therefore never sent to know for whom the bell tolls is tolls for thee. Who is the writer? कौन इसका writer? Hemingway. Each one does what he can. You can do nothing for yourself, but perhaps you can do something for another. In which novel to do these words appear for whom the bell tolls? The term code hero is associated with कोड हीरो जो टर्म है वो किसके साथ एसोसिएट है? हेमिंगवे के साथ. दिस नोवेल प्रेजेंट्स अमेरिकन एक्सपेट्रिएट्स. इट्स टाइटल इज फ्रॉम एक्लिस्टिस फाइंड इट आउट. द सन ऑल्सो राइजेस. पेड्रो रोमीरो is a young bull fighter. He appears in The Sun Also Rises. Robert Cohn, Joe Barnes and Lady Brad Ashley are the characters in किसके कैरेक्टर हैं ये? The Sun Also Rises के. In The Old Man and the Sea, Santiago कौन है? A Cuban fisherman. Santiago had not caught a single fish for 84 days. A young boy who appears in The Old Man and the Sea is Manolin. Santiago talks of American baseball. His hero is the great D. McGee. In order to forget his cut hand and aching back, Santiago recalls the days when men had called him by the title of Il Campeon. Marlin is 18 feet long. It is a fish. The Old Man and the Sea was first published in September 1952 in Life. The novel The Old Man and the Sea received the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction in 1953. What do critics call The Old Man and the Sea? A trump. On the 85th day, Santiago rose to the direction of fishes known as Great Wall. I wish I had the boy to help me and see this, who said Santi. Which fish does Santiago eat in deep sea? Tuna. I love you and respect you very much, but I will kill you dead before this day ends. Who said and to whom? किसने कहा किससे? Santiago to fish. How old are you? Is this your first trip? To whom does Santiago refer saying this? Warbler, a bird. In the event of success, Santiago was for making a pilgrimage to Virgin de Copra. Santiago is successful to kill the captive fish on the 87th day. Man is not made for defeat. A man can be destroyed but not defeated. Who said? किसने कहा ये? Santiago ने. The struggle between Santiago and Marlin symbolizes the struggle of mankind against nature. Nicknamed Papa, Hemingway was first of the 1920s expatriate community in Paris known as the Lost Generation, as described in his memorial title entitled A Movable Feast. Hemingway married. Hemingway ने कितनी मैरिड की है? 4 times. Hemingway's protagonists are typical stoic males who must show grace under pressure. Hemingway's first writing experience was writing for Trapsy and Tabula. At the age of 18, he began his writing career as a cube writer reporter for the Kansas City Star. Hemingway was awarded from the Italian government for dragging a wounded Italian soldier to safety in spite of his own injuries. The name of the award, क्या नेम था अवार्ड का? सिल्वर मेडल ऑफ मिलिट्री वेलर. I wish I had the boy to help me and see this. Who said? किसने कहा ये? Santiago ने. Which fish does Santiago eat in this deep sea? Tuna. Whose wife disliked Hemingway from the beginning? Fitzgerald's wife, Zelda. whose wife called Hemingway bogus and phony as a rubber check and accused her husband of having an affair with him. Fitzgerald's wife Zelda. Which novel took Hemingway only 6 weeks to finish at his favorite restaurant in Montparnasse, La Closerie des Lights. The Sun Also Rises, 1926. Published in 1929, this novel presents the romance between Frederick Henry, an American soldier, and Catherine Barclay, a British nurse. The novel is heavily autobiographical. The plot is inspired by the relationship with Sister von Kiowarsky in Milan Find It Out, A Farewell to Arms. You can write any time. People will leave you alone and not interrupt you, or rather you can if you will be ruthless enough about it. But the best writing is certainly when you are in love. Who said? किसने कहा है? Hemingway. Death in the Afternoon is a book about bullfighting. Pamplona Vista of 1925 is fictionalized is The Sun Also Rises, 1926. The influenced Hemingway is his writings on Spain. T. Hulme. In 1938, along with his only full-length play entitled The Fifth Column, 49 stories were published in the collection The Fifth Column and the First 49 Stories. The title of the novel For Whom the Bell Tolls is from the penultimate paragraph of John Donne's Meditation. In our time, men without women, winner take nothing, old man at the place on the quay at Samira. Hills like bright elephants, one reader writer, the killers, a clean, well-lighted place, the short, happy life of Francis Macomber, and the snows of Kilimanjaro are the famous stories from the pen of Hemingway. Which novel of Hemingway could not be finished? कौन सा नोवेल है जो Hemingway फिनिश नहीं कर सके? The Garden of Eden. The Garden of Eden was published posthumously in a much abridged form in 1986. The Sea in Bing was later published in 1952. The Old Man and the Sea. Hemingway planned to write a trilogy that would comprise The Sea When Young, The Sea When Absent, and the third novel was The Sea is Being. The setting of the novel across the river and into the trees is post-World War II Venice. Colin Cantwell and Renata appear in Across the River into the Tree, 1950. Some American newspaper published mistakenly the obituary of an American novelist, thinking he was no more. Who was this novelist? ये novelist कौन थे? ये novelist Hemingway, who could not go to Stockholm to accept his Nobel Prize. Hemingway was a heavy drinker. Bulls don't run. Reviews. Bulls of 25 don't marry old women of 55 and accept to be invited to dinner. Bulls do not get you cited at correspondent in society. Divorce trials. Bulls don't borrow money. Bulls are edible after they have been killed. This is from a letter about why bulls are better than literary critics. Who is the writer and to whom it was sent? कौन है इसका राइटर और किसको सेंड किया ये? हेमिंगवे in his letter to Ezra Pound. Frederick Henry and Catherine appear in ये किसमें appear हुए हैं? A Farewell to Arms in 1929. Frederick Henry, the hero of Hemingway's novel A Farewell to Arms, is an ambulance driver in an Italian army. थैंक यू गाइस मेरे साथ एंड तक बने रहने के लिए। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, मेरे चैनल को फॉलो करें। और अपनी राय कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर दें।